So in the 94th question, we are given three statements with respect to chemical fertilizers in India, and we need to find out the correct option based on these three statements. So the first statement says, at present level, at present condition, retail price of chemical fertilizer is market driven, and they are not administered by the government. कि market driven है, market based है, और government उसका price कितना होगा वो decision government के हाथ में नहीं है chemical fertilizers के respect में. Statement 2 is saying ammonia, which is a input of urea, is produced from natural gas. And statement 3 is saying sulfur, which is raw material for phosphoric acid fertilizer, is a byproduct of oil refineries. First of all, one thing we are absolutely sure of, key 1 is incorrect because it is government which sets the maximum retail price, MRP, with respect to chemical fertilizers. Okay, it is correct that if there is a difference between industrial cost and market price, then government pays subsidy for in that respect, but government has major role in setting the market retail price, maximum retail price with respect to chemical fertilizer. So first statement is absolutely incorrect, and we can eliminate two options, and from this we are dead sure that second is absolutely correct, second statement, and third statement we need to find out whether it is correct or not. Let's see it in answer and explanation. In answer and explanation, it is given that both the statement 2 and statement 3 are correct. Why it is? See, first of all, why statement 1 is incorrect? Because since independence, government was controlling the prices of all the fertilizers, but after 1992, government started the process of decontrol, and the fertilizers related to phosphate and potash were decontrolled. But urea, which is obtained from nitrogen and which is major source of nitrogen for soil, so urea remained under the control of government. Okay, but an event which was observed during 1997 and 1998, that phosphatic and potassic fertilizers, prices of phosphatic and potassic fertilizers rose sharply. So since 1997 and 98, government has fixed indicative maximum retail prices. Those are indicative in nature. Okay, and these are with respect to decontrolled fertilizers, that is P and K. There are three fertilizers, mainly NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So with respect to phosphorus and potassium, the MRP is indicative. So government indicates that what should be the level of MRP, and government tries to keep it at uniform level, but nitrogen is in very much control of government. What will be the MRP of nitrogen based fertilizer is very much controlled by the government. So statement 1 was absolutely incorrect. Statement 2 is correct, that synthetic ammonia, NH3, refers to ammonia that has been synthesized from natural gas. तो हम लोग को जो अमोनिया मिलता है वो नेचुरल गैस से ही मिलता है. Natural gas molecules are reduced to carbon and hydrogen. Okay, the hydrogen is then purified and reacted with nitrogen to produce ammonia. See, this is the procedure of manufacturing of ammonia. NH3 का जो procedure है वो किस तरह होता है, अमोनिया किस तरह वो इसको समझाया गया. And this was a great breakthrough in scientific development, so great that with respect to this invention or discovery कि manufacturing process ammonia का कैसा होना चाहिए, the inventor was awarded with Nobel Prize. Okay, so you can go through this reference to find out how ammonia is produced or manufactured. Statement 3 is again correct statement. Most crude oil grades contain some kind of sulfur, and those sulfur, the remnants of sulfur, first of all, the quantity of sulfur in crude oil is considered as impurity, and after the crude oil is purified and converted into refined products, sulfur is rejected as a byproduct, and that sulfur we can use as a raw material for the manufacturing of fertilizers based on phosphorus. तो phosphate sulfur में हम लोग phosphate fertilizers में हम लोग sulfur को use करते हैं, और वो जो sulfur है हम लोगों को crude oil के बाय प्रोडक्ट से मिलता है. So third statement is also correct, and this is the reference you should go through to find out more about this question and the facts related with the question. So this was our question. Let's see the next one.